Hello everyone! In this lesson we're gonna learn how to say what's your name and my name is in French. In French, what's your name is comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? But be careful, this is the casual way to say it. If you want to be more polite, you'd rather use comment vous vous appelez? Comment vous vous appelez? Comment vous vous appelez? Now, if you want to answer that question, you can say je m'appelle and add your name at the end of the sentence. Alright? So for example, I would say je m'appelle Marianne. Je m'appelle Marianne. Je m'appelle Marianne. Easy, right? Please take note that in French, to say our name, we use je m'appelle, but we don't use je suis, which is the translation of I am. In French, that would just sound weird. Got it? Guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon for a new lesson.